How much did you have to cue effects, lighting, or trigger sounds while playing?
Yeah, well, it's gotten more increasingly demanding over the years. When I first started with her, I just played a nice acoustic drum set. I just played rock
Back in the
beats.
day, I remember those days.
Back in the day, I would do my best John Bonham impression along with pop music, Latin pop music. And then I had to start acquiring electronics and firing samples and running sequences coming out of computers. And then they would sync up the computers to the lighting rig and to, you know, things moving around on stage and things going up and down and video screens. So after a while, it seems like I'm controlling a lot. But fortunately, there's enough people to help out to make sure I don't screw anything up. But yeah, it seems like everything's so interconnected now on a pop tour. Like I push one button and the entire arena starts moving and stuff. But it's
so you could be real dangerous if you hit the wrong button at the wrong time.
If you've had too many drinks before the show, maybe. But I try to stay on point.